Kia ora guys, welcome to another flip video. Today we're learning to find common multiples. Good luck. So what are multiples? Multiples are found by multiplying the number you are interested in and any other whole number. If I was asked what the multiples of 6 were, I would multiply 6 by other whole numbers. So what are the multiples of 6? 6 times 1 is 6, so 6 is a multiple of 6. 12 is a multiple of 6 because 6 times 2 equals 12. 18 is a multiple of 6 because 6 times 3 is 18. 24 is a multiple of 6 because 6 times 4 is 24. And 30 is also a multiple of 6 because 6 times 5 is 30. And you keep going down your times tables to work out more multiples of 6. So, what are common multiples? Multiples that are shared with 2 or more numbers are called common multiples. So in the left-hand column here, I've got all of the some of the multiples of 2. And in this column here, I've got some multiples of 3. What multiples do they have in common or do they share? You can see I've highlighted those in red. So 6 is a multiple of 2 because 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 is also a multiple of 3 because 3 times 2 equals 6. They also have the number 12 in common, because 2 groups of 6, or 2 times 6 equals 12, and 3 times 4 equals 12. So those are some multiples that they have in common. They also have 18 in common, because 2 times 9 equals 18, and 3 times 6 equals 18. So common multiples are ones that these two numbers share between each other. A strategy to find common multiples. When asked to find common multiples of 2 or more numbers, work out the multiples for each number and then see if they have any in common. So someone asked me, what are some common multiples of 4 and 6? I've listed some multiples of 4 in this column and some multiples of 6 in this column. And then I've gone through and highlighted the ones that they share. So the numbers 4 and 6 have the common multiples of 12 and 24, because 4 times 3 equals 12 and 6 times 2 equals 12. 4 times 6 equals 24 and 6 times 4 equals 24. So the common multiples of some common multiples of 4 and 6 are 12 and 24. Cheers guys, thanks for listening.